are going to learn two new commands of logo, that is PU and PD. PU means pen up and PD means pen down. PU, pen up, PD, pen down. And with the help of PU, PD, we'll make two parallel lines. I made this two dry run part. Now here I am writing FD70. After FD70, when turtle read FD70, so turtle will move in the same direction by 70 step ahead and turtle will face the same direction. Fine. Here you can see the turtle situation. Now here I am writing PU and now I am writing FD70. Okay. So when turtle will read PU means turtle will do pen up, then turtle will read next line FD70. So PU pen up, then FD70 means turtle will move by 70 step ahead in the same direction. Okay. Now you can see both are, I am writing same step. Now I am writing RT90. So turtle will take turn by 90 degree in the right direction. Here also I am writing RT90. Now turtle has taken turn in both the situation. Now here again I am writing FD70. So turtle will move in the same direction by 70 step in the forward direction. Now here I am writing PD. Why PD? Because right now in this situation pen is up. Pen is up. So to draw line I am writing pen down and then I'll write FD70. Now turtle will move in the same direction by 70 step ahead. Fine. This is very simple. FD70, RT90, FD70. Okay. Now you can see this is, I have written first PU, then FD70. Okay. PU, pen up, FD70, turtle means turtle will move in the same direction by 70 step, then RT90, turtle will take turn, then pen down and then FD70. Okay. So it is very clear, whenever you want to make invisible line, so you have to write pen up and for visible line pen down. Whenever you want to make or draw invisible line, pen up, for invisible pen up and for visible pen down. Okay. Today we are going to make this two lines, parallel lines, with the help of pen up and pen down. So we have to make two parallel lines and here I am making dry run part. Okay. I am considering this as 80 and this also is 80 and this one is 50 and right now turtle is here. So to move in the same direction, FD80. After this FD80, now my turtle is here. Now to take a right turn, RT90. Fine. Now I don't want to make any line. I want to move only, means I want to jump. I want to give command to the turtle for jump. So I'll write pen up for invisible line. Okay. Pen up for invisible line. Then now pen is up, but turtle needs to move. For moving, FD command and 50. Now turtle is here. Now to take a turn downside, this is right part. So RT90. Now my turtle is here. But your pen is up and I want to sketch a line. I want to draw a line. So I need to write pen down to draw line. And to move in the same direction, FD and 80. Okay. These are the commands to draw two parallel lines. So I am taking a quick recap what I have done. FD80. Okay. This command. Then RT90 to take a turn in the right direction. Then pen up for invisible line. We don't need to write any number with pen up. Just we are giving command to the turtle to do the pen up. Now FD50 to move in the same direction but invisible line. Now to take a right turn for downside, and now we want to make or draw any line, one line here. So we are writing pen down and then to move in the same direction FD80. Now this I'll show on the Turtle Academy. To do the online practice of logo, you have to click on any browser. I'm opening the Chrome one. Here you have to type MS Logo Online Editor, and from here you have to open Turtle Academy. From the Turtle Academy, you have to click on Playground option, and this is your platform to practice. Today we are going to make two parallel lines. So I am giving command to the turtle to move in the same direction by 80 step, FD80, to move in the same direction. So here you can see the line. Now I want to give a command to take a turn. So I am writing RT command, right turn by 90 degree. Now I want to draw invisible line. So for that I need to give command to the turtle for pan up. So I am writing pan up, PU. Now I want to give command to forward in the same direction. So FD50. Now for right turn, RT 90. Now to move in the same direction, FD command. But right now pen is up, so before that we need to write PD command, PD enter, and now FD 80. So here you can see the see parallel lines with the help of PU and PD command. So children, please try this at home and be safe and healthy. Thank you so much.